Okay, we have the PediPaws, and the box came totally crunched up. So we're gonna give this thing a try here and see how it looks for my little puppy. What are you doing over there, Penny? Hopefully she's not peeing on my carpet. Don't pee on the carpet. Okay, let's see what we got here. So here's some instrucciones. And then here's the Chinese ones. There's, no. Where's the English? Oh, here, precision rotary file designed to make trimming your pet's nails safer, easier, and more fun. Okay, well, let's see how fun this really is. Okay, so this is kind of how it is. Oh, I guess it's gonna need batteries. Oh man, it's gonna take like big batteries. I don't have C batteries or anything like that. That's gonna fit those. So we're gonna try it another time. But the concept is there. So she'll put her little toe in there and then this thing will spin and grind it off. And then when you run out of sandpaper, it comes with 3 extra sandpapers. So the concept is there, and the way it has the space, I'm gonna put this back on here. It's a pretty simple concept, I guess, but it has the space in between. You can see the little disc is inside there. I can't even reach it really from here, so it won't get her little cuticle. Is that what it's called? The quick or whatever it's called. She won't hurt herself. It'll just grind it off. And pretty cool. Nice little concept. Just need to go get some C batteries to give this thing a try, but the concept is solid. So thumbs up.